What's the one thing all influencers have? An established social media presence. From my first video, you should have written down what your AI persona is. Now, let's bring it online. We're building your digital foundation. That's your name, handle, email, and your website. Because before you can post, your persona needs a home. Let's start with your digital name, the part of your brand people remember first. Let's use me as an example. You always want to remember to be transparent with your audience, especially with all the buzz around AI. I wanted a play on words type of username, but also a way to connect me both IRL and virtually. Here's a good way to start if you're still unsure. AI is your friend here. Head over to ChatGPT. If you haven't already, create an account. You can use the free plan for this step. Enter this prompt. I'll have the prompt in the description ready to copy and paste. Based on the information you receive, have fun with it. See something you like that matches the letter of your name, go with that. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You just gotta pick something and stick with it. Now, to make everything smooth down the line, when the checks start hitting, you're gonna want everything in one place for easy access. Create a new email address that has your username or something very similar in it. When brands reach out to work with you, you wanna make it easy for them to contact you. With this email, you should create all your social media accounts. I recommend Google. It's directly linked to your YouTube channel and comes with a drive to host all your files. Because trust, you'll have a lot. Now my favorite part, creating your website. As an AI influencer, there's several links you're gonna wanna share with your audience, but it needs to be in one place that's easy to access. Link in bio is the way to go. I personally love Beacon's AI. There's so many avenues you can take your influencer through, but let's start here. Beacon's AI uses AI to help track analytics, manage email marketing, and manage monetization. I'll go deeper into how Beacon's AI works in a separate video. But use the link in the description to claim your free trial on Beacon's AI. I made SadeOnScreen my handle everywhere. IG, TikTok, YouTube, Beacons. It wasn't just for aesthetics. It created a digital trail. If you find me on one platform, you can find me on all. Because every time someone searches, that's a potential new connection. Before I even had followers, I created a branded email. That one step made me feel like I was running a business, not a hobby. And my Beacons page is my digital hub. It matches my tone, cinematic and clean with tutorials and AI tools. That one link became my conversion engine. Remember, you're not just setting up pages, you're designing presence. Every name, link, and color tells a story about who your AI persona is and why people should follow them. You're starting small while staying intentional. Let your AI influencer's identity evolve as your creativity expands. If you're ready to create your own AI world, start today. Don't wait for perfect. Don't wait for permission, because your AI avatar, your creative breakthrough, it's already waiting on you. If this video helped you connect a few dots, don't forget to subscribe so you'll know the moment the next tutorial drops. And if you want early access to updates, new lessons, and drops before anyone else, join my email list. That's where I share my workflow and what's really coming next. Check out more info on all my social platforms and my direct links in the description below. Thanks for viewing me on screen. I'm Sade, and see y'all in the next one.